Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. Today we're checking out Popular Mechanics, January 1982. We got that interesting retrofuturism covering, but it looks pretty at the time. Fly a home-built Mustang fighter? Yes, please. Huh. I've never seen fiberglass in a roll-up situation like that. Geez, it really sucked to be hit in the face with that stuff, eh? The Toyota. I love American trucks. I love the art. I wonder if that art is true to an engine. I don't quite think it is. It's like an artist's interpretation. I need to have one of these, man, before I die. I will have a Toyota 4x4. A four-banger, yeah. And actually, what I really want is a Dodge Ram, an 1988 Dodge Ram. Also a Z71. I want them all. Huh. A spray-on engine lubricant, eh? I wonder if they still manufacture anything like that. So that's really sweet. A guy builds his wife her own workbench. That's lovely. I love the retro computer ads. Like this flip up one. I've never seen one like that. That must be one of those, was it Heath or Heth kits? Perhaps? Oh, those are sexy. I wouldn't mind taking some of those around the block and down some no winter maintenance roads, that's for sure. I tell you what, Bobby. Mine. Mine. That's what I want. I want one in blue. Look at how casually they're playing with that instrument of death right on the carpet. Man, you'd have to have a lot of daring to do that these days. You couldn't get away with that these days. Like, if your insurance saw you doing that these days, they'd probably be like, we need to have a little talk. You guys gotta tell me, I really don't trust Volkswagen so much. Or maybe it's because of BMW. I think I heard it saying there's nothing more expensive than a cheap BMW. Is it the same for Volkswagen? Because they're both German, right? Troubleshooting a Desil V8. That looks like fun. The Franklin Mints. Minting stamps. Wait, can the Franklin Mint make stamps? Can they actually make a stamp that has a value on it? I guess they can, because they can make coins with a value, right? Geez, I can't say I've ever heard of this before. Kodak's Actiflex? Oh, I guess you do your own pictures. You develop your own pictures in some kind of automatic. Oh, I've seen these. I have seen these at estate sales, like once or twice. My God. My God, I just learned about a new technology. Three-wheeled independence. Yeah. This must be the original Rascal. Man, I would love to go over a ramp on that. You can tell we're getting into the 80s because Grandpa's actually wearing PPE. Huh, what a dink. Not like cool guys who never wear PPE. Guys always wear PPE. How does that go? I ain't no piss truck. I ain't no stranger. I know that truck. That's a Ford Heckin' Ranger. Well, frick, look at this. You can build your own frickin' sound effects machine. No way. The Loudmouth. Wait, what's such a... You'd have to... Where would you get the sounds, though? You would absolutely not get away with putting all of these schematics in a magazine these days. Huh. Okay, so check this out. The original juicer, right? Is that a toaster on the bottom of it? A bread maker. It's a bread maker. I was worried there for a second. Wow, okay. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. PM Compare 6 top computers. Alright, so down here we got the IBM personal computer. I've only recently come to realize that if someone says an IBM compatible computer, they're talking about one of these. And up here we get the... That's what the TRS-80 looked like. Okay, I've had peripherals for it. I've never seen one of the actual units so large and in charge. Now the Apple II. I've come across many Macintoshes, no Apple II. I wonder why they chose that particular monitor. I guess it doesn't matter. The Atari. 800. Never knew anything about that one. And here we have the comparison shot, of course. Okay. Oh my goodness, check it out. They got the PET, the PET computer. Yeah, someone at work was telling me that they had one of those when they were in high school. Geez, Texas Instrument? Of course, Texas Instrument would have their own computer. What was I thinking? Well, this is interesting. New phones go where you go. Okay. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, the Freedom Phone. That's right, baby. She's so happy she doesn't even need to have the phone attached to her head. Man, once you've been in drama class a few times, you see stuff like that, and you're like, okay, I get why she's doing it, because she's trying to put the phone so you can see the phone and you can see her, but it wouldn't actually work, right? Let's take a look at the Freedom Phones over Nya. I like that idea, but geez, it's like people on the subway. The world doesn't need to hear your call, buddy. Look, more advertisements for spinning death traps that could kill you and you don't need to have a license for. What happened to all these super fun vehicles that I see in the back here? Like, I want to drive one of those. I want to have fun. I want to go out and have fun on some of these weird things, but I have a feeling some of the younger boys might be like, haha, you look weird doing that. You're like, screw you, I'm having fun. I want to go to a garage that has one of these going, and I want the old man there to show me how he has it working. And I think it's very important that we know these things. Eventually the lights are going to go out. Eventually all the lights are going to turn out one day, and that's when we're going to separate the boys from the men, and we'll see who can actually bring power and wellness to the community. And this back cover advertisement is so 1982. I love it. Anyways, that's it for me, folks. Net from Nev's Tech. Like and subscribe if you like the stuff. Always appreciated. And as always, folks, take care of each other, will you? Catch you later.